Hey guys, how you doing today? Today we are going to be working on my Cayenne. Alright, so I've had a little bit of an issue here with the Cayenne. When I purchased it, you can see the emblem here is like kind of scratched off. Gold on it was coming off. So I got a new emblem actually as a Christmas gift. And here it is. This is a brand new one. The job is actually just one thing. 5/16 or 8mm. And you're going to look under the bonnet. And right between where the hood latch is, if you could take a spy right up inside there. You see those two? You're gonna take that 8mm and put it up in there.
That's what she said.
And unscrew them. As you can see, these are what they look like. So there's that, and there's this, and this is the old emblem and the new one. And before I put it back in, I'm gonna make sure I want to clean behind where the crest sits. Yeah, give it a bit of a polish behind there, and I'm gonna set the new badge back in. Just like that, we're done. So as you can see here, we got the old emblem, and now I got the new one. You can even tell like the way how it is right now because of the sun fade. You look at this one to that one. It's pretty awesome. Quick and simple. Hope this helped at least one person on how to change this thing. Certainly worth the money, certainly worth the time. Love it. Alright, you guys have a good one. See you in the next video. Take it easy. Bye-bye.